Well, it's a fall morning, about 8:30ish. I'm gonna try to catch, well, I think they're stocking trout today. I'm not for sure, but if they do, I'll be here because they're gonna stock them right next to where I'm at the boat ramp. And let's see if we can't catch ourselves some trout and then use those trout for catfish bait and catch ourselves a big catfish. I cut my PB channel on a trout head, so let's see if we can't repeat it. My PB channel is 25 pounds. So yeah, let's see if we can't get my PB today, or just catch some trout. Well, they're gonna stock trout at like 12:30, I think. So I'm just gonna fish around the area until the truck comes, and hopefully they're doing it. I'm not for sure still. But I'm trying to catch me a bluegill for bait. Oh, there's a bunch of them right here. What are those? Those bluegill? They look like bluegill. Yeah, so far no bites. Hopefully I get a bluegill for bait, and hopefully I get a trout for bait in a little bit. Oh yeah, there's a bluegill. Might have to take my weight off. But yeah, I might do a catch and cook. I might catch and cook maybe like 1 or 2 of them, and then I'm gonna use the rest for bait. Keep them for bait, cause the limit is 5, I think. Jesus, that was a big bluegill. But once I catch some trout, I'm gonna go to a jetty over there and hopefully catch ourselves a big old catfish. Fish on. Switch to a bobber. First cast with the bobber, I got a fat, what is that? It's a bass. Can't use him for bait. Let's get him over here. Come here, bud. Inhaled that night crawler. Not a bad little one. So I found a bobber and I was using that. First cast with the bobber, I got him. Hook came right out. Nice little fat bass. He's a fat one. Alright. Swam off like a champ. I want to catch a bluegill. I want to catch a bluegill for bait. Because it's like probably like 10:05 or something like that. And they don't start stocking trout until like 12. So I have to keep fishing other places until then. And it's not warm out. It's about 30 some degrees, maybe 40. It's cold. I got 3 jackets, 3 pairs of joggers, and yeah, it's cold. We got some bait. Finally got a bluegill. Let's cast this out. Got some bait. Still haven't came with the trout. Not for sure if they're gonna do it today though, so hoping they do, but if they don't, they're gonna do it sometime this week, so I'm gonna come this whole week and hopefully catch some trout. The trout are here. Jeez, they're everywhere. Come on, bite. They're not biting, but they're here. It's ridiculous how many trout are here.